you covered at Blue Nail Roofing for roofing, fences, windows, and more. Blue Nail is what you're looking for home remodeling or damage from hail. You can trust Blue Nail. Blue Nail Roofing. Window hail, remember Blue Nail. Blue Nail Roofing.
So you've been affected by severe weather, and we produce this to help you understand where to start after you've been impacted by severe weather. Eric Thomason here with Blue Nail Roofing to provide you with a process and a plan. Click the link to download the list and subscribe for additional helpful videos and deeper dives into these subjects. Number one, you need to take pictures. Photograph everything before, after, during. Number two, protect your property. You're obligated via your insurance policy to prevent additional damage. Number three, knock knock. You will be approached. Display signs like "We rent" or "Under contract." Number four, get dry. Water penetration should be dried and mitigated immediately, ASAP. Keep all your receipts and invoices. Tree service, landscapers, any service you need for storm cleanup, keep the receipt. Number six, get your claim filed. Get that process started. And number seven, be patient. Adjusters, contractors, and the process take time. The more severe the damage, the longer you can expect it to take. And number eight, research your contractor or service provider. Check reviews, references, BBB ratings, suppliers, and look for manufacturer accreditations. And number nine, share this with your neighbors. They could be confused, uncertain, and maybe just need some direction. Again, for a deeper dive into these items, make sure to subscribe and follow.